In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Tundra key fob to replace the internal battery. This is a very easy process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR 2016 batteries. If you don't know where to get one of those, or you would just like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now, the first step is just to look up on the top of the device. You can see there's that little indentation in the plastic. Just insert your flathead screwdriver into there and twist. Just hold the device kind of loosely in your hand and twist. Oops. And you'll hear it crack open, and you can just then pull it apart with your fingers. And from here, all we need to do is just very lightly push on the bottom of the battery and it will pop right out. So let me show you that once again. I'm just pushing on the bottom and the top will snap out, and then you can just remove it like that. Once again, CR 2016 battery, make sure that's what you're using. And when you put it back in, when you put your new battery in rather, make sure the positive side goes face up. So you're just sliding that in, pushing it down until it sits securely, and you want to see that plus sign facing up. All we have to do now is click the two halves of the device back together, and we are done. So I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or by just giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every maker model, and you can also see all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.